With the new windows installed and rough framing complete, we're ready to start getting some insulation in the UrbanRanch. We've chosen to go with a closed cell spray foam for all of the exterior walls and roof structure. Some may ask what the difference is between a closed and open cell spray foam. Well, to keep it pretty simple, it's basically the way the foam cures. In an open cell design, the bubbles aren't completely encapsulated, which results in a lower R value or lower insulation value. Typically, an open cell gives an R value of about 3.5 versus a closed cell being about an R value of 6 per inch. We've partnered with Edwards, Mooney, and Moses for the job, and we'll allow you to watch one of their most experienced crews get the job done up on the 3rd floor. You can see this is the generator inside one of their trucks that powers the mechanics that we'll see in part 2 of this series. Well, we're up here on the 3rd floor, and as you can see now, we've spray foamed the roof structure of the UrbanRanch. We're fortunate that through the inspection and permitting process that we're able to actually put the spray foam in the ceiling cavities prior to the HVAC equipment going in. Actually, where I'm kneeling now, there will be an air conditioning unit that'll be installed here, and it'll have ductwork that'll run around the perimeter of the 3rd floor. But you can see, because of the angle of the roof here, tucking that HVAC equipment up close to those rafters, if we had to put that in first and then do the spray foam, it would make it quite challenging to get adequate spray foam behind the air ducts and that. So Chuck and the team talked to the building inspectors, and they were agreeable to allowing us to go ahead, do the spray foam in the ceiling cavities, then the HVAC guys will come in and start running their lines and ductwork and stuff like that. What you can also see up here is there's a change in color in the spray foam. You can see down in here it's a white, and then up here it's yellow. The reason you see that difference is that this is now, not only does it have 5.5 inches of closed cell spray foam on it, but they've then put a spray to fire retardant because this space behind this wall here won't have gypsum or drywall that would act as a natural fire layer. Whereas in the living space, this being a bedroom, this will. And so this didn't require the fire retardant spray, but down here you can see that we have that. So just a little bit more about kind of the spray foam part of the project. As we like to say, more to come on UrbanRanch version 2.0.